Do you have more makeup than you know what to do with? And quite honestly, right now, more time than you know what to do with. A few weeks ago, I released a video on 51 makeup theme ideas. I will throw a card up right now and also link that in the description if you have not seen it. Now I'm going to present you with 51 makeup challenges. Be sure to share these with your friends so you can have fun together, and also stay tuned to the end to hear my absolute favorite challenge. As much as you possibly can, use only one brand for your entire look. Use as many colors as possible for your makeup look. This can be variations of the same color, but the point behind it is to use multiple colors with multiple variations. Nowadays, you see so many fun and creative pictures of lip art, so create your own and be as out of the box as you want to be. Even if it is not something you would wear out, just simply have fun with it. For this challenge, create your entire look using only your hands and fingers. But as a disclaimer, make sure that you are sanitary because sanitation is key here. Your face is a canvas. Create a beautiful piece of art on it. And just remember that liners can be used for detail so you can have a lot of fun with this. Pick a friend, preferably one that has a different makeup style than you do, and both of you recreate each other's go-to looks. The Channel Their Essence challenge. So instead of recreating their look, then create a look that is inspired by them via their favorite colors, something that reminds you of them, etc., for a much more creative and fun touch. This can definitely be a challenge to test your confidence. Basically create a look that is totally out of your comfort zone, but one that you do love, and wear it out publicly and wear it proudly. Wear a lip shade that you have never worn or hardly ever wear, and rock it confidently because change is a beautiful thing. To a full-faced look with products you have not touched in a month or more. So this is a really good way to kind of dig into your old stuff and do this with as many items as you possibly can. Set a timer for 15 minutes. You can do 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whichever you choose, but create your best makeup on the go look because let's be honest, we all run late sometimes. Also, I myself have came up with a bunch of fast beauty hacks because I typically run late. And so if you are interested in that, then please comment down below and I will gladly make that video for you as well. Phone a friend or text a friend. However, your fate lies in their hands because they choose theme, color, or whatever it is they feel as if you should do for your makeup look that day. What is your favorite makeup brand? For this look, use as many products from that brand as possible to create the entire look. Highlighter is quite the diverse product and can be used in multiple ways. So for this look, use highlighter in as many ways as you possibly can. In this half and half face challenge, on one side of your face, make a representation of the best version of yourself. On the other side, the worst version of yourself. We all have our go-to looks, so for this challenge, add in a step to your routine or look that you typically skip. Create a look inspired by your favorite celebrity. So that can either be a classic look of theirs or one that you particularly loved, or either one of those with your own little spin on it. It's up to you. Follow a makeup tutorial from your favorite YouTuber. Follow a makeup tutorial from your least favorite YouTuber. But remember, be nice when you are recreating that look. Set a timer for an hour. You can do 2 hours if you wish. However, create a super fun and detailed look and just give yourself time to complete it and time to have fun with it. To complete your look, add a bold lip color, but do it with your eyes closed. This time, to complete your look, add a winged liner, but again, with your eyes closed. Wear your fill-ins on your face because creative expression is a beautiful thing. This is open to creative interpretation. However, express your emotions via makeup. If you are into the art of drag, then pick your favorite drag artist and recreate a look of theirs that you absolutely love. Are you a fan of the art of drag? create your drag persona and paint for the back row. Or as Trixie Mattel says, the check cashing place down the street. If you are into drag, then pick your least favorite drag artist and create one of their looks. However, remember to be nice. For your entire look, obviously minus like your foundation and such, use variations of only one color. Pre-plan a themed collaboration with others. Not only is this a fun thing to do, but it also can inspire you with ideas of how someone else interpreted that theme. Do an on-the-spot collaboration with friends. Come up with a theme and just go for it and have fun. Create an eye look using only shades in your palettes that you have never used or merely only swatched. Do your makeup routine in the opposite order that you typically do it in. Create a look that is completely opposite of the usual looks that you do create. And remember to rock it. What is a current trending makeup theme? Try it out, but make sure you put your own spin on it. For this half face challenge, create a colorful look on half of your face. Mirror it on the other half, using the same colors but in the opposite order. For this half and half face challenge, create two contradicting looks, one on each side of your face. Find one of your oldest makeup pictures. Recreate that look and see how much your skills have improved. Use as many of your eyeshadow palettes as you possibly can. Not only is this fun, however, it can remind you of some things that perhaps you have not used recently that you want to dip back into. What three colors are your least favorite? Using only those three colors, create a look that you love. Find a look in your photo gallery that was taken on that particular day, however many amount of years ago. Recreate that look. For an added bonus, you can maybe even collage it side by side to see your improvement. Create your entire eye look using your least used eyeshadow palette. Create your entire look using the opposite hands you normally use. Using your makeup, create a visual board on your face that represents an organization or cause that you strongly support. Makeup is such an artistic expression, so paint your story, or at least parts of it, on your face in an abstract way that represents you. Create your alter ego using makeup and your creativity. Have a little fun and tattoo your face. At least with makeup, it's not permanent. If you are a fan of Jeffree Star and his Velour liquid lipsticks, then do the Velour liquid lipstick challenge and use as many colors as you can to create a look via lipstick, liner, art, etc. Let your face breathe today and take the extra time to allow yourself to as well. We all need those days to just kind of relax. And now for my personal favorite, this is what I call the Utilize That Collection Challenge. I love eyeshadow palettes, and so this is literally only some of them that I have. Because of this, I sometimes will get a new one and then quickly forget about another one that I absolutely love just because I have a new one to play with. I know some of you guys can relate to this. So most of us have extra makeup bags lying around. So one fun thing to do in order to, one, get some inspiration and two, utilize those products is to simply write out your palettes. I do it on cute construction paper. You can do it on regular paper if you want. You can do this with your lashes, lipsticks, whatever it is you want to do. Fold it up, put it in the bag, and then you get to draw what it is that you are going to use. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did and are not subscribed, then please do that. It's a free way to give me some support. Drop me a like, Give me a comment. I love feedback. And share this with your friends because makeup challenges are fun to do. They're therapeutic and they're a good way to pass time. So I hope to see you guys very soon. Talk to you later. Bye.